Hi, my name is Taryn Krazan, and I am your instructor for this course. I'm really glad that you're joining me. I wanted to take just a few minutes to let you know a little bit about me and welcome you to this course. So I started off my educational career as a 6th, 7th, and 8th grade teacher, and I really enjoyed. I worked down in Hanford and had a great time with the middle school students. I eventually was promoted to a learning director, which is where I learned all about program evaluation and decided to pursue it seriously academically. So I went back to Fresno State for my master's degree. I served as a learning director in my school district, and then I ended up pursuing my doctorate at Fresno State. And now I work as a part-time faculty member, and I also have a consulting business conducting program evaluations. So my areas of specialty are really statistics, research methods, and program evaluation in an applied setting. So I use a lot of the research principles, but tend to apply them to more programs that are actually in progress and working, and not so much in publishing research or coming up with new ideas, but it's looking at programs that already exist and how I can help them improve by gathering data and helping them analyze it. So I really love what I do, and I'm excited to have you in my class this semester. So please read the little blurb about me below, and it also has my contact information. You are welcome to email me, call, or text me. That's why I provide you with my information. I want you to feel free to text me or even leave me a message if it's late at night. I turn my phone on silent once I decide to go to bed, but I otherwise try to be very available for you all. I do have a teenage daughter, and so sometimes on the weekends we are not as available as others because I am taking time to be with my family and do all of those kinds of things. As you know, kids have a lot of things going on. So I want to wish you all the best of luck this year. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions at all. I am more than happy to talk with you, and I always try to return calls within 24 hours. Well, welcome and good luck.